In this video, you will learn how to add the McDonald's gift card on your mobile app. Here's what you would require for this. The McDonald's app must be installed on your phone and you should be in possession of your physical or digital gift card. So step 1. So you need to open the app, and towards the bottom right hand side of the menu, you would see an option of more. You need to click that more icon to access the account settings. Within the account settings, you need to look for the payment methods and click that. In the payment methods, you will see the add gift card button towards the bottom side of the screen. You need to click that to add the details. Here you would find two windows. In the first window, you need to enter your card number, whereas in the second window, you need to enter the PIN. Before pressing the save button, you just need to double check that you have entered the correct card number and the PIN. When you are sure, click the save button. Now the McDonald's gift card is linked with your account and the balance would be shown in your payment method, and it is now ready to be used in any subsequent order.